So in this video, we are going to learn how to send SMS for new form submission in Elementor. Now suppose guys you have created an online form using Elementor form builder and you want that whenever a user is filling the form and submitting it, you want to send them an SMS notification. So you have created this form or you have added this form into your website, shared it with others or your app or anywhere you want. Now to do so guys, there is a manual process which is very much repetitive and time consuming, that getting a form submission data and manually sending them SMS notification. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can automate this process. So the trigger of this automation will be getting a new form submission, a new response in the form which we have created using Elementor. An action will be sending an SMS notification using Twilio to the same user who has submitted the form instantly automatically. Now guys, how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Elementor to Twilio. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that a workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is we have created a form using Elementor and we have added this form on our website or we have shared this form with our users. Now we want that whenever a user enters their details and fills the form, we want to send these users a SMS notification using Twilio. Now first we have to connect this form with Pabbly Connect so that every time this form is submitted, we get this form submission data, the form response in our Pabbly Connect workflow. And after that, using Pabbly Connect, we are going to send this data to Twilio, and using Twilio, we are going to send the SMS to the users. So let's see how you can do this. Now here in Trigger window, in Choose App, first search for Elementor. Just select it. And then in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select New Form Submission. After selecting a trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. And using this webhook URL, we are going to connect our Elementor form with Pabbly Connect. So how you can do that? You just have to follow the help text given below over here. So we just have to copy this webhook URL from here, and after copying this webhook URL, we have to open the same form which we have created using Elementor in the edit mode. So we have opened this form. Now when you will hover on this form section, on the right top corner you can see this edit button, this pencil like icon. Just click on it and then here you can see the edit options of this form. And under all of this on the left side, you can see there's an option named as Actions After Submit. Just click on it, click on this plus button, and from this drop down, we have to select webhooks over here. Now as you select webhook under Add Action, here you can see that a new field of webhook is added below that. Just click on this field of webhook, and here it is asking us a webhook URL. Now here in this section of webhook URL, we have to paste the same webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Just copy it from here and paste it over here. After pasting this webhook URL, click on this update button. Now as we click on update, we will see that we have successfully added this webhook URL in this form which we have created using Elementor. And every time we are going to receive a new response in this form, a new form submission, automatically the form submission data will be received inside Pabbly Connect as well. So let's do this. Here guys, we are going to make a test form submission, a dummy form submission. So just click on this preview changes button and we will see this form will open up in a new tab in the preview mode. And now we are going to enter the details of a dummy user, a test user. For example, demo user. This is the name of the person. This is the email address. And then we have to enter the mobile number. So here guys, we are going to enter the mobile number of the user, and on this same mobile number, the SMS notification will be sent to the user who has submitted the form using Twilio. After entering the mobile number, let's enter the city as well. For example, the city is Bhopal. And then just click on this submit button. So as we click on submit, you can see that just now we have received a new response in this form. And because we have connected this form using the webhook URL with Pabbly Connect, we will see the same form response, the same form submission data will be captured inside Pabbly Connect as well. And yes, guys, here you can see that we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the same details. We have the same name of the user, which we have entered the form. We have the same email address, same mobile number, and the same city as well. Now, this means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. We have received the response from Elementor forms in Pabbly Connect. Now, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we have to send these details to Twilio. And using Twilio, we are going to send an SMS notification to the same user who has submitted the form. Now, to do so, just scroll down, come to our action window, and here in Choose App, search for Twilio. Just select it. And then in action event from the drop down, select send SMS message as the action event. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, you have to connect our Twilio account with Pabbly Connect. So in this video, I am taking an example of Twilio as a SMS sending application as an SMS sending service. But instead of Twilio, you can use any other service according to your requirement which you want. So here guys, we have to connect your Twilio account, and to make this connection, we have to enter the account SID, the authorization token, and once again we have to enter the account SID of our Twilio account. Now here you must be thinking how you can get all of these details. Now to get it, just go to your Twilio account, and after that on your Twilio account homepage, just scroll down. And here you can see the account SID and auth token of your own Twilio account. Just copy this account SID from here, go to Pabbly Connect's connection window and paste it over here. And paste it over here once again. Now get back to Twilio, copy the auth token and paste the auth token as well over here. After entering all of these details, just click on save. And now we can see that our Twilio account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the body of the SMS. That what is the SMS body which we want to send to the user on form submission. So I want my SMS to be hello, and after hello in this SMS message, I want to mention the name of the user who has submitted the form. So we have received the form response in Pabbly Connect from Twilio. This is the response of first name. And we have to basically add the same first name over here in this SMS section which we are going to send. So guys, here we have to map the response of first name from trigger response of Elementor over here. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and in the drop down below, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Elementor. And out of all of these responses, select the response of first name of the user and map it over here. After mapping the first name, the message says, the message which I want to send is, thank you for submitting the form. One of our team members will get back to you soon. So here guys, this is just a simple message which I want to send to my users. And in this message, we are going to mention the name of the user who has submitted the form. So whatever name your user is going to enter while submitting the form, using the same name, we are going to send the message. Now after creating the body of the SMS, the next thing it asks us is sender's number. And here guys, we have to enter the sender's number of our Twilio account. Now to get it, just get back to your Twilio account, scroll down, and here you can see my Twilio phone number. This will be your sender's number. Just copy this number from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After pasting the sender number, the next thing it asks us is the recipient number. That what is the mobile number of the user to whom we want to send the SMS message. So we have received the mobile number of the user from Elementor responses. So from Elementor responses of trigger, we have to map the response of mobile number over here. Just click on this field, and as you all know, the process of mapping is simple. It's the same. Just click on this drop down, and from this drop down, select the response of mobile number which we have received from form response and map it over here. After mapping this, just click on save and send test request. Now when we click on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received this response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the SMS body which we have created in this Twilio step, the same SMS is now sent to the user who has submitted the form. So let's check. And yes guys, as you can see that just now on the recipient mobile number, we have received this SMS which says, hello demo, thank you for submitting the form. One of our team members will get back to you soon. So this is the same message guys whose body we have created over here. Now this means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect between Elementor and Twilio is working perfectly fine. Now every time we are going to receive a new response in Elementor, automatically we are going to send an SMS notification to the same user instantly. So after setting up this automation, let's test this automation once. Once again, we'll go to the form which we have created using Elementor, and this time we are going to make a new form submission. For example, test name. This is the name of the person. This is the email address. Let's use the same mobile number and let's change the city to Delhi. So just now we are going to make a new form submission in Elementor, and we will see as we make this form submission, instantly within seconds an SMS notification will be sent to the same user on their mobile number. So let's click on this submit button. And yes, we have submitted the form. Now guys, within few seconds we will see a SMS notification will be sent. And yes, the message is received, which says hello test, means the same first name which we have entered just now while submitting this form. Thank you for submitting the form. One of our team members will get back to you soon. So here guys, in this video, I have created a very simple basic message over here in the body of the SMS section of Twilio. But instead of this, if you want, you can create any message of your choice. And also, if you have received multiple data from Elementor form submission, you can also map multiple fields, multiple data according to your requirement from Elementor responses in this body of the SMS section. So guys, we saw that the automation workflow which we have created is working perfectly fine, and we have tested this automation in real time. So not just these applications guys, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestion, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.